Just going through the big D, and we don't mean Dallas. So this one goes out to our friend Davey, and we want everybody in here to grab your surfboards and your divorce papers. This one's called She's a Fucking Whore.
But now I got a club for you. Now you want more and more. But that quickly you pick your whore. Buy that new stuff. Buy that new stuff. Buy that new stuff. Buy that new stuff. Give it up for fucking Johnny and his little birthday here. One day when you're in despair, we'll be laughing at your fear. One day there will be no war.